Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phones, install Xender, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and close any active mobile hotspots so devices can join a direct network. On your iPhone, open Xender and tap Send. On the Android, tap Receive. Once done, the iPhone will search. Make sure the Android stays on the Receive screen. This creates the local connection that Xender uses to transfer files quickly without using cellular data, so you can move to pairing immediately. Next, choose what to transfer and establish the link. On the iPhone, pick Photos, Videos, Apps, or Documents and tap Individual Items or select All. The app queues them. When the Android appears on screen, tap its avatar to confirm the connection and accept the prompt on the receiving phone if required. Once paired, the iPhone will begin sending, monitor progress bars, and keep both screens awake. This prevents interrupted transfers and ensures files are written correctly on the Android. To finish, wait for the transfer to show 100% and then open files on the Android to verify integrity. Photos and videos usually go to the gallery and documents to downloads. If things go wrong, try toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, close and reopen Xender, or restart both devices. These steps refresh the direct connection. Make sure Android has enough free storage and that Xender has storage permissions. Once corrected, repeat the transfer, and it should complete normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.